Today we are marking another key milestone for the first operated field in Norway. The integrated template structure behind me will be loaded onto this vessel and then it will be installed on the Berling field. We will drill 3 wells through this structure that will contribute to gas in our OMV production portfolio. I want to express my sincere thanks to the Berling project team, but also TechnipFMC as the main contractor and Agility for safe, timely and high quality delivery of this very important part of the project.
HSE is in the core of our business. We have followed up closely all activities related to construction, installation, transportation for the Berling infrastructure. This is our second year with offshore operations. And thanks to our one-team approach, together with TechnipFMC and other involved contractors, we have had no recordable incidents so far in the project.